When I started the company back in March of 2001, and we were working with AMS, CGI today, we were actually based out of Exodus, which is, or was, another data center provider. And we had data centers in the Northern Virginia area. We had production, we had DR, we had one in Hong Kong and Sydney. Exodus went bankrupt. Cable and Wireless took over. When they took over, they didn't take over all the assets of Exodus, so we had to pull out of a lot of those data centers. And we had to shut a lot of them down. We were in a position where we had to find a DR site. And so when we started looking around, we walked into this facility. I think IBM walked us in there, and it happened to be Equinix. There were no signs anywhere that said it was Equinix, a very nondescript building. But I looked around and I go, wow, this is a really cool building. I walked up to the security desk to check in, and they had this little flyer on the security desk, and the flyer had the name Equinix on it. And I said, I wonder what that is. So I just called the 800 number, and I said, who are you guys? I go, is this your data center? And they said, yeah, this is our data center. And so we started working with them directly, and that was, I think, towards the end of 2002. And since then, we've been a loyal customer. We've only ever been, since then, in Equinix facilities around the country. And it's been a great, great partnership. And so we're very proud of that.
I'm Stefan Raab. I'm a Senior Solution Architect at Equinix, and my responsibility is to help our customers work together. We're unique in the data center industry because our customers come to Equinix so that they can connect to each other. Our focus is on interconnection. We're known through our heritage as being an equal, neutral internet exchange, the place where all internet networks came together. And from there, we grew as a place where all businesses come together to connect. At Equinix, we don't offer managed services, so we rely on partners like Neovera to help deliver solutions to our customers. We provide a great location for customers to build solutions and to take advantage of all the connections they can have, whether it's to the cloud, networks, or other enterprises. But we don't help them build those solutions or secure them. So partners like Neovera are absolutely essential for us to help our customers realize the vision of what's possible in Equinix data centers.